Hello, everyone. Welcome to the special webinar for auriculomedicine students of LUM. This is our third installment of the lectures. We are still on ear acupoints. So I would like to ask for volunteers, and I'm sure by this time, alam na alam nyo na po ang sagot nito. May I call on Sir Jobel? Okay lang. Sir Jobel? Or Ma'am Elvira? Hello po, are you with me? Or shall we go to Mom Tricks again?
Doc, I only did 1 to 56.
Okay,
Pero,
let's do 1 to 56. Okay.
pero lang pala.
Bilisan natin kasi I think this is paulit-ulit lang, no? Okay, the question is, what part of the ear corresponds to the head and face? And this is very good, well, very interesting because every time you look at this part of the ear, then you would immediately know um, what you are looking at, diba? And this is especially important when we do the facelift. Okay? Okay,
The lobe,
very good. Next, what part of the ear corresponds to the lower limbs?
the two cruras.
Okay. So
Mhm.
the crura is the plural for crus, no?
Yes.
So we have the superior um
Inferior. Anti-helix.
superior. And also the cruise of the anti-helix. Kung nakikita nyo, andito po yung ating lower limbs. Okay? The ankle, the knee, the thigh. Tapos mayroon din dito. Okay? Yan. There. Next, what part of the ear corresponds to lower jaw and the genitals?
Triangular fossa.
Very good. Remember, this is lower jaw. Hindi lang siya sun jaw. Actually, when I look for the na medyo na-confuse ako sa sun jaw, iba pala si lower jaw. Okay, so triangular fossa. What part of the ear corresponds to the lower internal organs?
Simba concha.
Very good. Kung ang Simba concha lower, yung cavum concha is upper. What part of the ear? Oh yeah, ito na. Upper internal organs.
Cavum concha.
Yes. What part corresponds to the trunk?
Anti-helix.
Okay, so kung pinapa-twist-twist mo yung pasyente, doon ka nakatingin sa anti-helix. Upper limbs.
Scapha.
Good. What point is located where the helix crus disappears? Pag nawawala na yung helix crus, ito na yung ear point.
Stomach point.
Very good. Stomach. What point is located at the junction of the retroauricle and the mastoid level with the helix crus?
The vagus nerve.
Very good. So, ganito kasi, you know why I love the vagus nerve, no? It's here, oh.
Um,
Yeah, there. This is so relaxing. Kasi pag masyadong dominant yung buhay natin on fight or flight, you're always like on the go, you're always fighting, and you always have this, uh, you're so workaholic. Naglalabas po tayo ng maraming cortisol and adrenaline, no? So the
yeah.
vagus or the vagus nerve will tell the body to chill out. How? Mag-release yung vagus nerve ng acetylcholine. Okay? So the vagus nerve, it actually extends out to many organs, and this will make it will also help to release enzymes and proteins like prolactin and oxytocin. Kaya there are women who cannot even breastfeed because masyadong ano yung lifestyle nila, masyadong super busy, no?
Mhm.
So, if we due to treatments that target the vagus nerve. This will increase the vagal tone and inhibit cytokine production. So it's more of like if you want to survive in this jungle, you have to always put kung magamit pa kayo ng intradermal needle, I place this on, on this patient and I coupled it with the Marvelous Point.
Marvelous. I was gonna ask you.
Yeah. Siguro ginamit mo, no?
Hindi pa. Pero I'll try this next week.
Yeah. Kasi you also have to ask the patient, ano ba yung lifestyle niya? Siya ba yung breadwinner? Siya ba yung masyado na bang stressed, no? And usually successful people are those who are so stressed out. So,
Yeah.
and then medyo may konting issue din siya, like, she was having uh, second thoughts about marrying kasi parang hindi daw loyal yung ano niya. So, tinusukan ko ng melancholy, Marvelous Point and the vagus nerve. Alam mo,
He
nag-iba,
felt marvelous.
yeah. You've tried Marvelous? Oh,
I
so you
have I haven't yet.
You should try it, promise. Hindi yan kasama sa mga questions natin. Um, it's so good, promise. It's like somewhere here, there.
It's beside the spleen.
Yes. Yeah. Then stimulate mo rin yun sa ibaba ng spleen para medyo, lalo na mapamamutla yung pasyente or nagbi-bleeding, no? What point is located at the junction of the conchal region and the root of the ascending helix?
0.0.
Very good. Ito po. Actually, pag nag-end na po yung cruise, that's the stomach. The point zero is also called the God point, sabi ni Paul Noget. And also the diaphragm point sa mga Chinese. So this is supposed to be a master point. It actually, it's like pinapa-reformat mo yung computer mo. Yeah.
The question, what's the difference with 0.0 and 0.0?
Point O. Hindi
Yes.
ko alam yung point O na yun. Baka yun din yun.
Hindi, pero magkaiba sila ng area.
I'm not so sure. I haven't. Sige, let's talk about it soon. Point zero na lang muna.
0.0.
Oo. This is sa ibang book, this is called the diaphragm point. What point is located at the border of the inferior antihelix screws, directly above the SI?
Kidneys.
Yes.
Kidney.
And one thing about this 53 ang kidney, ito po siya. Oh. And SI is 49, no? Let me see ba, no? Di ba the heart is somewhere here? The heart is somewhere here. Oo. Like this morning, I had a patient, ang
Or
lalim,
Chinese. Yeah, yung Chinese.
yan, the Chinese. And then, I had a patient kanina, masyadong malalim yung kanyang lungs, and she would always complain of nahirapan huminga para siyang hinihika, no? Of course, I used my favorite point, the Marvelous. So, um, pag first patient kasi, I would use the liver excess 4 points, no?
Mm.
Kasi most of them, they come because nagalit ito sa husband niya, ganun. Anyway, so, tingin ko naman itsura niya mukhang stress lang talaga. And then, when I tried to palpate the bladder 13, it was so matigas. So, alam mo, lumambot after you needled up. So, if this is, okay, how do we locate it ba? So, this is like bladder 10. This is bladder 30 here. Okay. So, ilagay ko dito siya. Ganda. Yun. So, the kidney. Tingnan nyo ha. I'm trying to analyze kasi how the Chinese really came up with this. This one kasi is very Chinese location, no? So, heart, di ba somewhere here ang heart? And a little lateral would be the lung, up and down, di ba? Oo. So, if you look at it closely, no? So, di ba ang small intestine, kapartner yan ni heart, no? And bladder, I'm sorry, the kidney nandito si kidney tapos si heart. So if this is the SI, so may point then. Okay, ever. What point is located at the junction of the terminal of the anti-helix screws and the medial aspect of the helix?
Sympathetic nerve.
Very good. Actually, there are three according to the Chinese, but this is my favorite. So this is like located inside. Next, tip of the lower tubercle on the border of the tragus. So there are actually two tubercles.
Uh,
You,
Adrenal glands.
yes, adrenal gland. And this is very good for, you always combine it with the vagus nerve. So the vagus nerve would be, um, adrenal gland pala would be, tingnan nyo ha, this is the European location and this is the Chinese. Ka-clash talaga sila. Oo. I would, kasi,
Question, can you stimulate both?
wala naman, I don't know.
Wala.
Pero, ang akin lang kasi, I think the European makes sense because if you remember, the kidney is here, right? Kidney. And then here is this SI. So, of course, on top of the kidney, kaya lang hindi siya on top. Kasi nakabaligtad eh, di ba? Anyway, that's the European. That's why it's E. And then this one is the adrenal gland. And this is the vagus nerve. Then somewhere here would be the mouth. Remember, the mouth. Most tender part. And nakapalibot siya ng ano, digestive system mo dito. Gastrointestinal. Diba? After the mouth, you have the esophagus, right? This area. And then stomach. Next, located on the tragus on the lower and medial aspect.
The nose.
Yes, very good. Look, this is the, mm, diba this is the lower tubercle, the adrenal, right? Mm,
Yes.
and then the nose is there, the throat, the pharynx. Okay. Posterior and superior aspect of the antitragus.
The occiput.
Very good. So the occiput is like somewhere here. Yeah. Kung tutuusin, no, paano nag-occiput siya kung dito yung ulo? Anyway. Okay. Posterior and superior aspect of the antitragus. So, posterior, superior. This is the antitragus. Next.
The
Way between the antitragic apex and the antihelix notch.
brain point.
Okay. Yung brain point, according to this book,
And then
nakatago siya sa loob. So you use your probe to fill it. So does it make sense? Between the antihelix notch and the apex of the tragus. What point is the
Sorry, paano doc gagamit ng needle? Yung interdermal? Kasi
intradermal?
yung,
Intradermal.
pag,
I would advise you to have intradermal talaga. You know where to order, no? Uh,
yes.
I've seen very good results with intradermal. If the patient not doesn't feel comfortable sa gabi, tanggalin mo na lang. Madali lang naman hilahin. At saka pag okay na yung treatment, it will just fall off.
Ah,
So brain. Tip of the antitragus
soothing asthma.
or the stopping asthma point. The tip.
And
Actually, dito siya dapat eh. This is tragus. Sino mo, halata talaga yung ano, no? Do you have is your tragus like this? Does it have two tubercles? This is superior, this is the inferior. So the inferior should be like
I
here.
have to, wait, I
Yeah.
have one.
Sa akin yata tatlo. Okay. So kung titingnan nyo, this is the stop asthma. So I just use this for acute conditions like pag inaatake. But again, ang laking tulong po ito pag Kasi alam nyo, pag nakaano ka parate, naka-bronchodilator ka, nasisira din yung coating ng tao.
Oh.
Lumalaki, namumula. Yeah. I have a friend. Of course, I won't tell you who he is.
Mm-mm.
So medyo, he's been using yung ano, yung puff for like the past 40 years and he's now 57. So parang, nakik
Bakit? Because of yung liquid. Bigyan
yeah,
mo pa
kaya lang ano din eh,
yung parang, ano,
yung effect niya, oo, bronchodilators
yung effect niya parang,
sa
uh,
coating.
yung parang, ano,
Kaya kung
yung
ano, no,
parang antibiotic na coating.
yes. Patya pero parang swollen yung tongue,
Yung
namumula.
parang peeled off.
Kaya siguro, yung mga may asthma dyan na pasyente, I suggest that you use this. It is called the stop asthma or
Tapos,
soothing asthma point. Okay? Or turuan nyo na sila. Pabentahan mo na kagad ng intraderma. What point is located inferior sa intertracheal notch?
anti-hypertensive point.
This is so important. So this is called the hypotension point because we use this only if your blood pressure is high, 0. You look for the intertracheal notch and go down there. Oh. Sige, try nyo daw. Yung mga tumataas yung BP. Kaya ano, I would really suggest na hindi naman yung bigla bababa eh. Gamitan
Mm-mm.
nyo ng intradermal. Huwag na kayong magtipid. No? 200 needles is okay. Anong point is located sa intertracheal notch mismo?
Endocrine
Very good.
point.
Ano yung located posterior, nasa likod, no? And superior sa orifice ng external auditory meatus.
The mouth point.
Yes. This one. Okay, just below it would be the parasympathetic sacral, and then this is the vagus. Okay? The mouth. Nakapalibot yan. Pag may issue sa ano, ito yung mouth, somewhere here is the stomach. So, syempre, nandito banda yung esophagus, yung cardia. No? What point is located in the triangular fossa at the lateral third? This is actually the first point that we needle on every patient.
Shenmen.
Yes. Ang magiting na Shenmen. Naman yung nasa peripheral concha ridge in the Simba.
Liver point.
Okay, nasa taas siya, Simba. Nakita nyo?
Simba.
Simba pa pala siya. Simba pa siya. Here. Central depression ng cavum concha.
Heart.
Yeah,
Heart.
yeah, very good. The heart. Makikita mo talaga, nandoon talaga siya sa gitna. Located in the cavum concha, superior and inferior and lateral to the heart point.
Lung point.
Very good. What 5 points make up the NADA protocol?
Sympathetic Shenmen. Liver, lungs, and kidneys.
Good. Battlefield protocol. Ay, nandito na. Sorry, nakita na.
Point zero Shenmen omega 2 thalamus and cingulate gyrus.
Okay. So, di ba dito banda, o yung mga may mga pasyente dyan, o kung kayo, ang daming tumataas ang BP ngayon, ha, dito banda yung anti-hypertensive natin. Ilagay nyo yung ano, yung intradermal. Ay nako, tingnan nyo talaga na may-maintain niya.
How long doc yung intradermal usually? Pwedeng,
It can stay for like 2, 3 days. But ako kasi, I would, kung
pero paano pag matutulog sila?
yung iba sinasanay na, of course, masakit pag excess yung problem, no? Tanggalin na lang.
What about yung Is it APS needles?
Wala pa kung ano. Yung ano ba, press needles?
Para siyang press needles.
Yung ano. Medyo masakit kasi yung
Sabi ni Sir Albert pang mga soldier. Yun daw yung ginagamit yung pag mga
sa mga sundalo.
military.
Retiring.
Mas maganda talaga intradermal.
Oh, yes. Alam mo na. Ay, sorry,
Hi,
nakita.
Doc She.
Yeah.
Hi, Doc Hector. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's always good to hear your voice. You
Thank
seem very
you.
ready. Okay. Baka ikaw gusto sumalo. Doc Shen,
Ayan.
you finished
Wag
everything.
muna, si Ma'am Trix lang muna.
Pero hanggang 56 lang daw siya. Which point is level with the helix cruise? Anong point? Level ng helix cruise? Kahile,
Vag, vagus nerve
nagdit sa
wait,
fin ng helix cruise?
and stomach point.
Okay. Okay, anong significance ng lobe crease? So tingnan niyo yung mga lobe niyo kung may crease. Sister
For,
Jovel, tingnan niyo yung lobe niyo kung may crease, kung may linya.
for coronary artery disease.
Mayroon.
Cardia.
Meron.
Mayroon.
Ganito daw yan. Sabi daw baka may heart disease, baka ha, o baka
The
meron na, or may family history,
three.
or naninigarilyo. Four nerves that supply the anterior auricle. What are they?
Facial nerve, vestibular nerve, cochlear nerve, nervus intermedius.
Okay.
Ulit.
You have to mention the branch na kasi nasa ear na siya, no? So we have the auriculotemporal nerve, hmm? Auricular branch of the vagus. So of course, nandyan si vagus. Tapos auriculotemporal, auricular, auricular branch ng vagus, and then lesser occipital, and then the greater auricular nerve. Look, auriculotemporal nerve, na nanggaling po siya sa trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve is the fifth cranial nerve. Cranial nerve 5. There are 12, no? Okay. So, tinan nyo laki, Yan. Dyan yan. And then naman, anong kulay ito? Auricular branch naman ito ng vagus. Although, alam natin nandito si vagus. Next, then we have the greater auricular nerve from plexus cervicalis C2 to C3. And of course, yung isa, yung lesser occipital nasa likod kasi. Okay, name the nerve. Mandibular branch of the trigeminal nerve supplies the anterosuperior and anteromedial areas of the external ear.
Mandibular nerve, V3.
The auriculotemporal nerve. Ito na. Ito na siya. Hindi umabot dito mandibular nerve. Auriculotemporal nerve from the trigeminal. The only peripheral branch of the vagus nerve. It supplies the auricular concha and most of the area around the auditory meatus.
External ear.
Auricular branch of the vagus nerve. Ito. Tingnan mo, sinusupply niya yung concha,
Siya.
timba, cavum, superior and inferior. Gets na? So, vagus yan vagus. Kaya lahat nakasalalay ang organs to. Um, yeah. Next, supplies the skin of the upper and back parts of the auricle.
Vagus nerve.
No, the lesser occipital. Andito po ang lesser
At the back.
at the back. Or the lesser auricular nerve. Next, from the cervical plexus, galing po ito sa cervical plexus. C3, ano ba yung kanina? C2, C3. This is called the greater auricular nerve. O, tinan nyo. Diba? Ganda. Auriculotemporal, auricular branch of the vagus, and then the great auricular from the plexus cervicalis C2 to C3. Okay, name the nerve. Sir Joe Bell. This is the autonomic nervous system. It plays a big role in maintaining homeostasis. It has two divisions, sympathetic and parasympa. Parasympathetic nervous system, we have the cardio, respiratory, GI, smooth muscle, blood vessels, sweat glands, and endocrine system. Prevents neurodegenerative diseases via vagal regulation. Name the nerve.
I have no answer.
Vagus nerve. What are the
Okay.
benefits of NADA?
For drug abuse, addiction treatment, pain management, PTSD, opioid withdrawal symptoms, improve sleep.
And also, if you are in a, ano ba to? Rehabilitation program, matutuloy-tuloy ka, pro. Kaya maganda yung ano. We have NADA Philippines here, headed by
Oh,
Ma'am Janet Paredes. They were the ones who started it here. Pero actually, it started late in 1983. So, yung 5 points, no? You feel energized, increase optimism, and cooperation. So, basically, naging sikat to sa mga drug addicts and also alcoholics. It decreases craving, anxiety, tapos improves sleep, decreases need, clears mind, and centers attention. Program,
dapat pala gawin ko to sa mga friends kong alcohol.
yes. So, the NADA points, again,
Hindi
okay.
nila alam.
Baka pwede ba natin gawin yun sa friend din natin
Ano naman? Ay,
na medyo alcoholic?
sino doon? Ay, oo nga pala, pre. Nasa Cebu ngayon yon. Walang tulog. Takot sa lindol. Hindi naman siya alcoholic. Ano lang naman. Pwede naman yata siya
Ay,
walang
ano pala siya? Ano siya?
coke
Addictive siya sa Coke.
of drinks. I don't mention the brand. Sisikat lalo.
Masyadong obvious na ba pag sinabi ko yung brand?
Ay, nako. This is also known as neurogate. What is this point? Good for sedation, pain, neuropsychiatric.
Sandman.
Shannon. Okay, anong tawag dito sa point na to? For pain, lowers blood pressure din, excessive sweating, stabilizing in the case of shock. Nasa superior, yeah,
Sympathetic.
very good. Okay, ano to? Below the angle, directly below the Shenmen, pero nasa taas siya ng small intestine.
Uh, well,
Yung kanina, sa taas lang siya ni small intestine, tapos sa
kidney.
baba lang siya ni Shenmen, directly below. Kidney.
Kidney.
Okay, ito naman, napaka-obvious naman ito for liver disease.
Liver point.
Liver.
Uh,
Ito, anong point to? For diaphoretic regulation. Yung mga nagpapawis. Kasi kung meron ka lung qi deficiency, pag nagpapawis ka buong katawan, parang ako yun. No, the answer is lung point.
long point.
Okay, what are the cautions that we have to observe with using the acupuncture needle for the ear?
If sudden dizziness, nausea, stiffness of the chest or other fainting symptoms during treatment, patient should be managed in the same manner as ordinary body acupuncture. Strict antisepsis is necessary to avoid infection in the ear. Ear auricular. Ear acupuncture is not advisable for women during pregnancy.
Okay,
If she has a history of miscarriage.
yeah.
Children under 7 should not be needled. People with hypertension or weak patients should have proper rest before or after
Yeah,
needling.
before or after. Yung mga elderly, mga weak. Saka yung gumagamit ng blood thinners, katulad ng clopidogrel, yung mga pampanipis ng ano. You can
Mga
still do,
statins.
yeah, but
Mga statins, no?
you have to wear gloves. Malay mo
Mm.
may HIV. Hindi kasi you should always prepare na magbi-bleed talaga sila, no? Alam ko talaga 'yan kasi hindi niya sinabi na ano, minsan nakakalimutan natin tanungin. Ang bilis niya mag-bleed. So yun.
Um,
So we should always wear
Can
gloves.
we ask that, Doc? Hindi ba sila ma-offend if ever na?
No, actually they will appreciate it. Kasi bata sa
Mm.
ano natin sa acupuncture intake form, you should always ask kung anong medications iniinom nila, mine-maintain. Kaya for people on blood thinners, um, madaling mag-bleed. Sa kapag yung pasyente mo, yung may tumataas yung blood pressure, malamang hihimatayin sila during treatment. Kaya if inimatay, meron na naman tayong gagawin, no? And make sure nakahiga sila. Okay? Pregnant, kung may history of miscarriage, um, don't do ear acupuncture. However, kung wala naman pero may deficiency condition, batang-bata pa pero masyadong deficient, no? Masyadong walang energy. You have to only use few needles. Kaya you have to be careful. May nakita ako, tad-tad na ng maraming needle yung tenga, no? Lalong manghihina yung pasyente mo. Okay? Children, kailangan, you have to find a way na nakaupo sila ng still for 20 minutes. Okay? Yung mga mahihina, yung mga immune system, may mga deficiency, lighter lang yung treatment, fewer needles, or if possible, seeds lang gamitin mo. Saka yung mga may frostbite, at saka may mga inflammation sa auricle. Of course, you don't needle those points. What are possible complications ng ear acupuncture? Ma'am Trix.
Dizziness, nausea, fainting, hematoma, infection.
Okay. You could have hematoma, kaya wag masyadong diinan. At saka ano, needling through the ear. Kailangan hindi po through and through, hindi po tayo nagpi-piercing. Kailangan ano, may nakita kasi ako, ano na, tuloy-tuloy sa likod. Infection, kaya dapat aseptic talaga yung technique, no? And then headache. So pag nag-headache yung patient, at sumakit yung ulo ko, uh, remove mo or baka ang dami-dami mong needles nilagay, no? Remember, less is more. And then needle shock. Kasi may mga tao takot talaga.
Yeah,
So,
actually, madaming may ayaw. Na,
yes.
kahit sinasabi na namin, mas masakit pa yung kagat ng langgam.
Kasi nagkaroon na sila ng experience yan before. Hindi acupuncture. Una-una mga nanay nila, tinatakot sila, di ba? So, you kalma ka lang, take the needles out, lie down with the legs raised above the head, give them something to eat. Most likely ito yung cause. Keep warm. And then the points, these are the points. Li4, PC6, 226, kidney 1. Okay? Itong kidney 1, talagang sisipain ka, magigising, masakit yan. So, Li4. Okay, anong part po ito ng ear? Head and face.
Antitragus,
The lobule, upper
lobule,
limb.
helix tail.
Uy, the scapha.
Ayun, ba't ko
The
pa
trunk.
binura? Binura ko yung
Review
answer.
lang to. Ano na ba yan? The trunk.
Anti-helix,
Yes. Lower limb.
triangular fossa,
No, the two crura.
crura,
Internal organs. Uy, review lang to ha, para drill.
in
The conche.
inferior concha,
Cavum simba. Ear apex.
Tapos,
Okay, the ear apex, nasaan siya? Nasa helix, di ba? Hmm. I-prick mo to kung may fever, inflammation, hypertension, revival of hepatic coma. Lalo na pag nagkaroon ng hepatic NSF yung pasyente, pwede mong siyang i-ano para matuwa naman yung familia. Analgesic or sedative effect. And then for keratosis, inflammation of the cornea, you can do Moxa on that area. No? Ewan ko, hindi ko pa ito na-try, yung mga may
Okay.
keratosis. Saan ang location ng ear apex?
Tip of the auricle and superior to helix when folded towards tragus.
Okay. Nephritis point, nasaan?
Uh, ear, earring,
Scapha.
kappa,
Location ng nephritis.
midpoint of the outer line from shoulder joint to clavicle.
Sympathetic. Anong part ng ear?
Part.
Anti-ear bruise.
Anti-helix.
Sympathetic location.
It's in the inferior anti-helix at the end of the upper edge of the lower cruise of the anti-helix.
Okay, maganda dito sa sympathetic because dinadilate niya yung blood vessel. So nawawala yung pain. No? Important point for anesthesia.
Wala akong answer.
Mammary glands, nasaan?
Wala akong answer. No
Wala
answer.
na. Nasa anti-helix. Okay.
Anti-helix. Ayun.
And then the
Anti-helix.
last one, the location of the mammary glands.
Anti-helix tail.
2 points siya sa anti-helix below the chest point. One medial, the other lateral. Good for acute mastitis, lumps in the breast.
Lumps breast.
Okay, let's call on Doc She.
Doc, I
Si ano na lang, si Sir Hedison. Busy ba to? Ay, ano, okay. Ay, sige,
Wala,
sige.
wala pa akong idea. No,
Sir
na-observe pa
Bradley,
ako.
parang nireview mo na to last time. Paulit-ulit lang to ha. Okay. Adrenal location niya kanina. Remember? Oo. Sa
Vegas.
lower part of the tragus, kung isa lang yung prominence, nasa inferior border siya. No? So ito yung nagpapakalma sa atin, lalo na pag stressful yung buhay natin because it releases acetylcholine. Okay? Okay, location ng external nose, nasaan?
External.
Hmm. Nasa middle siya ng anterior aspect ng tragus. It's used for brandy nose. Yung parating kulay brandy yung ilong. Where's the location of the thirst point? It's above the external nose point on the tragus. It relieves thirst. Okay, andito tingnan nyo yung si 21. Thirst. Di ba may mga diabetic? They feel to...
There. I'm sorry.
Ay nako, you try using this.
Diabetes.
Yeah, external nose, nandito. Yung brandy nose, yung parang iba yung kulay, parang brandy. Madaling ano yung nose, no? And then, ang hunger point, nandito. Kung ayaw mong magutom,
Kumain.
um, you have to be very careful kasi malapit lang, tingnan nyo. Hunger point, internal nose, adrenal. So, it's more of like malapit sa mukha ito. Okay? So, ganun po siya ka-detail. Okay? Hunger, the location below the external nose on the tragus, relieves hunger, good for diabetics, and those with for my compulsive eating. So this is your hunger point. This one, malapit sa mukha. So hunger, internal nose, and adrenals.
It's all inner pala yung
Yes, inner yung hunger. Kaya be careful. Kaya pag hindi nag-work siya, kasalanan mo, no? Next, location ng occiput. You mentioned this earlier. It is at the posterior part of the antitragus. So, andito po siya. Nasa likod ng anti-tragus. It is good for neuropsychiatric disorders, convulsions, lockjaw, psychosis. Yung mga may seasickness, no? Motion sickness. Use the occiput point. Temple. This is so good, especially when you do facelift. Hmm? Um, so the temple is here. Okay? Occiput temple. Hmm?
Temporal
Talagang nag-ano siya. Saka yung may migraine, you use that. Same side. Vertex location. Hmm? Ang,
uh,
ang lalapit ng mga points. Which is good for vertigo. Hmm? Stop wheeze, you already took this up. Yeah, di ba? Parotid gland is a salivary gland. Yung mga nagkakaroon ng parotitis, yung mumps, no? So, it's somewhere here. Inside, no? Nasa antitragus siya sa loob. Salivary gland or the parotid gland. Brain location, we already took this up earlier.
sensor.
Yeah. Endocrine, tapos na din. Subcortex. Look, occipital, ba nandito yung temple, andito yung frontal, andito yung subcortex. Magkalapit lang
It's
sila talaga.
inside.
Yeah. Anterior side ng inner wall. Okay? Neuropsychiatric disorder. So, ibig sabihin yung mga medyo nasisiraan ng bait, ito po. That's it. Uterus. Nasaan ang uterus? Nasa 7. Diyan. Hmm? Shenman, expert na. Hepatitis location is on number 9 here for acute and chronic hepatitis. Kaya maganda dito po ang intradermal. Okay, mataas yung BP and you want to lower it.
Sympathetic.
If
Siya.
kanina, andito yun, di ba? Oo, meron din tayong isa. So, doblehin mo na para go. Andito lang, hypertension point.
Hypertension.
Kaya combine mo na, hypertension, yan, at saka ito.
Di ba ako masyado mahilo? Sorry.
Prostate, dalawa yung location. Andito din po yung prostate, Chinese.
Yes. And
Liver location, alam na natin. Hepatitis area location, nandito po sa 44. So, effective din po itong relaxed muscle. Nako, lalo na pag, yung may stiffness. Hanapin niyo po yung 45. Andito po siya. Hmm? Basta ito, kalikutin nyo lang to. Ako, pag nakita ko medyo tender, usually kasi pag may lalo na pag may problema sa liver, o may liver young rising, makikita mo talagang nag-iiba yung itsura ng mukha nila dyan. Blood location. If you have a person who is having hemorrhaging, okay, it's located below the spleen point, level ng neck. Sanjiao location,
in here.
okay. Nandito po ang Sanjiao. So, nasa
46.
loob ang endocrine, Sanjiao. For HEPA, tracheal disorders, diseases affecting the mesentery or meritonium. The eye, very easy. Nasa section 5 siya. If you remember, we divide the lobe into 6 zones, 6 sections rather. 9. 3, 6, 9. Tongue location is center of section 2. This one. Ito yung tongue. So the eye is here. So tongue, eye. Inner ear.
Inner. Below.
Inner ear is here. for tinnitus, deafness. Ano to? Ano to uli, Sir Jobel? Nahilo ka na ba? Meron pa tayo one last next week. After that, we're done. Okay. Tonsil, number 4. Dami palang number nito. The tonsils, number 18. Yan. Tonsillitis, pharyngitis. Okay, back of the ear. So meron na tayong 3 points para i-lower yung BP. Remember? Lagyan nyo na sa utak nyo, maraming matataas yung blood pressure ngayon. Okay? Kailangan nyo itong i-prick, paduguin, you, this area. You find the most sensitive area,
But
you prick, using a lancet or a three-edge,
Edge needle.
yeah, three-edge needle. Ang galing naman. Okay. Ano yung prescription mo pag may mumps or epidemic parotitis? Of course, gamitin mo yung parotid gland point or the salivary gland, the cheek, and the subcortex. So, ito for the manifestations, parotid and cheek. Ang subcortex is for the root cause. Prescription for hypertension. If I were you, you memorize this, no? Pag dahil sa stress, it's adrenals. Okay? Gamitin mo yung lower BP groove. If possible, you bleed it. Sa helix, sa Shenmen or endocrine, the forehead, the temple, liver, kidney. Huwag naman lahat, baka lalong manghina yung pasyente mo. For diabetes, di ba ang daming diabetic ngayon? You have to qualify, you have to classify. Ano ba klase? Okay, is it the upper jaw, the middle jaw, or the lower jaw? Okay. So kung parati siyang inuuhaw, you use the thirst point. Remember where it is? Thirst point, the lung
yes.
point, and the endocrine. Okay, kung yung problem niya, parati siyang gutom, of course, you use the hunger point, the stomach, and the endocrine. So, andyan lahat yung endocrine. Because diabetes is an endocrine problem. Okay? And then lower jaw, very easy. Endocrine, bladder, and kidney. Okay, so are we good?
Yes.
Okay. Easy. This is so the endocrine there is the one that will treat the cause. Thus, what do you call this point? Nasa scapha siya, medial to the wrist point. This is very common also. Allergy point. This point.
Near the apex.
Yeah, near the apex. So this is the wrist point. Wrist point, yung mga merong, ba to? Tawag doon, carpal tunnel.
Carpal tunnel.
Vomiting point prescription, of course, sinurogate para maiba. Shenmen niya. Stomach, spleen, of course. Vomiting and the liver. So nakita nyo, connected talaga siya sa TCM. Do you agree?
Yes.
If you do not, you need to know the reason bakit we use the liver, why we use the spleen, right? So, ang ating mga auriculomedicine practitioners who will graduate in June, we will start with the basics in February. Okay? Doon na maano. So sana po mag-promise kayo na turuan nyo yung inyong buong barangay dyan. Okay. Pwede ko na tawagin siguro si Ma'am Elvira dito. Ma'am Elvira, siguro nag-aral.
Kaya naman ko na cellphone, be.
Ah,
Ulma ko na, hindi lang.
Dok, makitanong nga, Dok. Hindi ko saan po ba tayo
Ano
Dok?
po?
Dali,
Kasi by halos?
Ma'am Elvira,
Ano
saan na ba? Ano ba nagpapanik? Hello?
Dok?
Yes. Ready na, Ma'am Elvira? Please show your face.
Sorry lang, Dok po.
Oo. Dapat ma-perfect nyo na to ngayon. Hindi ko kayo makalimutan. Okay,
Yes,
Ma'am Elvira, ano po
Did
yung
Medyo alam ko yung iba. Pero, Doc, minamaster ko to. Pero problema ko yung nag-search na lang ako muna sa Google. Sa atin bang, Doc, may files dito sa atin?
Oo
Kasi di
naman,
ko
di ba
matutunan.
nag-member na kayo? Ay, hindi nyo pa sinasabi saan kayo magme-member.
Pag gusto ko mag-aral, Doc, nag-Google na lang ako. Tapos, kung saan ba to? Sabi ko, Jubel kanina, Bill, paano natin ma-access yung mga links?
Sige
Na-resolve
na,
ba
mag-donate
ni
ka na.
Doctor?
Gawin mo ng 1.5.
Hindi
Sorry.
sa tino kong asawa.
Okay, number 1. O sige, ganito. Pag
I-
nagkamali ka, 300 yun. Ha?
Doc, Doc, Air Apex yan, number 1.
Ano po? Okay. Sure? Hindi mo na babaguhin yung
Sure.
answer?
Yun lang pinaka-sure po.
The
Ay,
superior
super.
helix. So, tama din.
Oo.
The ear apex, superior helix.
Ay,
Okay,
hindi.
number 2. Ano po ito? Yung kompletong sagot.
Pam.
Ayun pala. Organs pala yung Bell, na ko, yung, dun po, Doc, yung assignment points po, number 2.
Part ng ear to. Ano to? Naku, i-ready nyo na yung 299.
Oo nga, Doc. Oo nga, Doc. Malapit na,
Okay,
Doc.
try mo. Number 2.
End of
Twins po yan, twins.
Ayun.
Yung isang twin.
Okay. Superior anti-helix cruise. Makinig kayo mabuti, ha?
Opo,
Okay.
Doc. Note.
Itong buong ito, that's anti-helix. Ito yung superior
Pa.
cruise ng anti-helix. Ito yung inferior cruise ng anti-helix. Okay? Tapos, ito yung body ng... Okay. Ano ang number 3? Ay, ano ba yan?
Okay, Bell?
Hindi ko na ito gusto 2 weeks na.
Oo nga, Doc. Nag-drawing ako dito, Doc. Hindi pa, Doc, mamamaster eh. Pinapamiliarize pa po.
Paano, mas?
Nag-draw
Hindi mo nga
to identify.
ginugugel?
Doc,
Sige,
kawawa
number
naman.
3, ano? O lifeline. Para
Nento
Doc.
ni Sir Abbott yung picture niya.
Ang alin?
Yung,
Gusto ko nga perfect, Doc eh.
Hindi,
Kasi
magbayad ka
nag-drawing.
na.
Yung
O, number 300 ba? Number 3.
auricular tubercle.
O, ibang nagbigay ng... Ma'am, ayoko na ganyan, madam, ha, Elvira. This is already the 3rd week.
Oo nga, Doc.
O, penalty. Another 300. So, 600 na. Anong another name for this one? Auricular tubercle or?
Tubercle of helix.
No,
Darwin.
Darwin's
tubercle. What is number 4? Oh, Ma'am Elvira, makamali na naman lahat.
Darwin.
Ulo ko. Sige kayo. No coaching. Number 4. 600 na utang nyo. What is number 4? Ay, okay.
Pwede, Doc, lang, Doc. Kung kailangan ko ng pamilya ko, Doc. Number 9 lang, Doc. Concha.
Ay, ano ba yan? Hindi, number 4 muna. Ano ba yan? Ma'am Trish.
Concha.
Ay, Sir Jobel. Pakita mo yung galing mo. Ano to? Number 4. Wag na, Ma'am Trish.
Abdomen.
Ha?
Abdomen po, Doc.
The body of the anti-helix.
Helix body.
Ito yung cruise or the cruise, ito yung body. Diba?
Okay. Anatomy
Sige.
pala tayo.
Ma'am Elvira, name all the points located here. Ganun pa naman yung exam natin.
Doc.
Ulit-ulit na tayo, ha? Pangatlong linggo na to. Okay, what is number 5? Ito. Yan lahat. Ay, ano ba yan, madam? Hindi kayo nag-aaral.
Ayan, Dok, ha. Kaya
Oh,
nga
ang Google.
nagreklamo ako kanina. Bill, Bill, paano ba yung magka-advance study tayo doon sa ano, ninulod ba
Ang
ni
bansadi, ang
Doktor?
tagal nyo na nga.
Para
Pangatlong linggo na nga ito. Ano ba yan? Hindi naman kayo Advanced study pa.
hindi ko pa talaga na-master yung Dok yung ano, kasi kino-compare ko yung nagpa-familiarize pa po ako, Dok, yung Shenmen, alam ko na
Okay.
yung kung, pero
Sa tingin nyo,
saan siya na,
madam, may pagkakaiba
ano
ba
po,
sa tinanong ko nung week 1? Naalala nyo yung week 1? Gusto nyo panoorin yung video? Ito rin yung tinanong natin. Okay, Sir Jobel, Lifeline. Anong tawag dito? Ito, o lahat yan. Number 5. Naku, ano ba yan? Sir Jobel,
Rest. Rest.
ha? Hindi wrist. Hindi
ah,
wrist. Nandito lang yung wrist. Yung buong area.
ah, anti
No.
buong area.
Starts with
image
letter
image
S.
sub subcortex, Dok.
Hindi naman. Hindi ko
Ano ba yun?
naalala nito yung subcord. Andito nga yung ulo. Bakit naabot dyan yung ano?
Ano ba yung
Letter S. Tapos letter C. Ano na?
Papa.
Wow.
scap
Scapha or scaphoid fossa. Ano
scapa?
bang ibig sabihin ng fossa? Sir Jobel. Pag sinabing fossa, ano ba yan? Yan ba yung...
Yung
Hmm.
scaphoid force.
Ano ba yan? Elevation or depression? Or,
Elevation.
ha? Hindi.
Sa itaas po, Dok.
Ano ba to? Nag-elevate ba to? Dumalim ba? Scaphoid fossa.
Ay, okay. Kuwang
Okay?
ano ning
Okay lang. Sige,
baliktad.
go. Number 6. Anong part ito? Ulitin natin ha. Ito superior cruise ng antihelix. Ito inferior cruise ng antihelix. Ito
Anti
body of the helix, of the antihelix. Ito ano to? Ano ba yung parts ng antihelix? Minention na natin yung body. Minention na natin yung cruise. Minention na, isa na lang ang hindi natin na-mention. Cruise or root. Root yun na, root or cruise. Body and tail. Siyempre, may meron siyang tail.
anti-helix. Anti-helix din
Ayan, ang
pala
dali.
yan.
Yes, number 7.
Ay.
O, ano tong number 7? Ito ano to? Okay, Madam Elvira, ano to ulit? Number 3. Ano ba yan? Short-term memory?
Oo nga, Dok. Darwin's, Dok. Darwin's,
Or auricular tubercle. Ano po itong number 7?
mm,
Okay, tingnan nyo mabuti ha.
uy,
Ito yung helix ng helix. Yung tail ng anti-helix. Di ba?
tail number
Ang
2.
tawag dito, madam, itong buong ito. Di ba helix yan? So kung ito ang tail ng anti-helix, ano po ito ni helix?
Anterior, Dok.
Sige. Uy, mag-aral kayo, madam ha. May utang na kayo, 1.5 na. Okay. Helix tail. Tail of the helix. Number 8. What is number 8?
Mm, okay, isa. Mm,
8. Occiput.
Bill,
Hmm?
Occiput na, Dok.
Hindi. The antitragus. Yan.
Antitragus.
Antitragus. Hmm?
Points pala yung
Yan. Mga
Doc,
area.
number
Itong number 9, ano to?
9. Lungs.
Hindi. Yung area ng, yung part ng ear, internal ear.
Kabum.
9.
Oh, cavum concha or inferior concha. Wow. O, 1-2 na
Cavum.
lang utang mo, madam.
Number 10.
Sinisave kayo ni Sir Jobel.
Yeah.
Okay, what is number
Antitragus, si Doc
10?
number 8.
Ano po ito?
10.
Number 10. Ano?
Triangular.
Yes.
Triangular pusa, Dok.
Wow, very good.
Galing.
Galing talaga. What is number 11?
11. Ito na.
Sandali
Hindi
lang, Bel.
sinabi ko mo yun kanina, Ma'am Elvira.
Anti-helix, Dok.
Anti-helix.
Anti-helix.
Ano ng anti-helix?
Inferior.
Yes.
Inferior.
Inferior cruise of the anti-helix. What
Wow.
is number 12? Saan na ba yung number 12? Dito pala.
Superior concha, Dok.
Yes. Superior
Superior
concha. What is another name for superior concha?
Kabum. Ano tayo?
Starts with letter C.
Kabum concha, Dok. Kabum.
Superior concha or Simba concha. Number
Simba pala.
13. Ano po itong number 13?
Tail of the helix.
No, the
Or
root.
root of the helix.
Nandito yung
root of the
ng
helix.
helix. Ito yung root. Kita niyo na ba? Ito yung root or cruise. Another name for root is cruise. Ito root. No? Okay, maraming salamat. Let's take a short break. Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you, Doc.
Papanood ko muna yung video.